Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What do you guys think of this style? Guess what? I make this from Brazilian wool, and this is a clip-in ninja twist bun. Like, hard to believe, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how I put this on a bun. So if you want to see a video of how to make this twist ninja bun, just comment in the comment section, and I will definitely make a video on this. But first of all, I want to show you guys how to apply this on your hair. Although I already have a tutorial on how to make this ninja twist bun, but there are some corrections that I made in that video. But if you guys want to see this, if that video isn't clear enough, I'm gonna leave the link in the description so that you guys can check it out. But if it's not clear enough, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, let's move on to this. So I started by parting my hair into two, and then I used two rubbers for this. I used one to attach the back, and then the second one for the front connecting to the back. So I wanted to make sure that this high bun is as sleek as possible. That's why I used two rubber for this. So once you're done snugging that in, you want to make sure that you create some baby hairs to this. You know, most people don't really like the baby hairs anyway, but that is how I like mine. So if that really works for you, you can go ahead to creating your baby hairs. So and also guys, if you're experiencing white residue just like I am when making your baby hairs, don't worry about that. It's gonna fade in no time. So yeah, just you just want to make sure that that is laid properly, and afterwards I am gonna use my scarf to make sure that this is as snug as possible. So guys, and also you wouldn't believe that this ninja twist bun was made from I used the thread base to making this. Not like I took the thread out of the casing, no, it was just what finished, and then I decided to make good use of it. Like, and you know, this is just a go-to hairstyle. Like, you just wake up in the morning and just you know, just an easy hairdo, and yeah, and you're good to go. So yeah yeah, this is our ninja twist bun, all looking beautiful. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that inside with the comb, and then put the drawstring, and then just put that tightly, and then put that drawstring inside like so. So once you're done, you want to add some bobby pin if necessary. So I added one bobby pin. I actually put two, but I noticed that it was uncomfortable for me, so I just took one out, and then I left just one bobby pin. So once you're done with that, that is how to slay this lovely ninja twist bun. So however you want this bun to be, like I said, I have I'll be leaving a link in the description so that you guys can check it out. But if you want it bigger than this, make sure that the casing that you're using to make this is going to be big. Like I said, if you want to see this tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and I would definitely make a video for you guys. You know, you guys are my supporters, and I'll definitely do what I can to make sure that I create videos that are very inspiring and DIYs that you can easily make. So yeah, I'm gonna add some rings to this. As you can see guys, see how it looks so beautiful. So if you want, you can add. If you don't like it, then you can just leave it like that. So this is our ninja twist bun, and this is some really nice face beat guys, like so beautiful. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.